Hey guys, this is Sonia, and come on in. Let's look at my new journal created in a collaboration with Calico Collage Digitals, and the laces are from a guest design team package of my Crafty shop, which is Esme. Um, and I'll put all the links down below. This is my design team project for Calico Collage for April. All the digitals are from Calico Collage Spring Blush print digital, and also the seed packet digital that she has. So come on in, let's look at it. I'll put all the links to both of the locations down below, and I hope y'all enjoy. Start off with just a crazy little tassel over here, and I actually have a watering can filter attached to it. It's attached to the binding, seam binding, which is about 1.25 inches thick. It has 2 signatures, and the signatures are sewn in, and it's hid by actual lace on the side. It has antique lace down here that came from a collar. And these pieces all came from Crafty shop, including this one here was one. And this is part of the actual lace of the other. All these papers, the ephemera, of course, it's Calico Collage and Bloom with Grace, Bloom Wild. I'm going to open it up. This is made out from an actual envelope. The envelope itself is open on both ends so that you can easily store items in it. It comes with digitals on the inside automatically to write on. Here's 2 of tags made from the printables. In the front page, this pocket here, this lace applique, is one again from Esme's Crafty shop. The lace on this edging, move over just a little bit where you can see. See if I can get you up just a tad bit. Sorry guys, trying to do a new angle with the camera and it really is not playing well. There we go. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. Lace edging there, Crafty shop. Again, all these printables and everything are digitals from Calico Collage. A small little tuck right across here to put something in. Tucks right here that come in the ephemera of it, and I have 2 that also the fussy cut items, so you can journal on the back side of it, and then have this whole page to journal as well. I thought they were just kind of cute growing out of that pocket there. This has an actual belly band across it and a pocket. Again, all this lace came from my guest design team package for Crafty shop. And this is a nice little printable ephemera piece that came with it as well. It says flower. Makes a great bookmark also. And put one in there. There's another little bookmark that came with it. And then it has this little book like ephemera piece that I printed on some heavyweight cardstock. Really nice to put something in as well. Even pictures, store pictures in it. These little flowers here are from Crafty shop also. A lot of these pages I didn't want to mess with the flowers and stuff. The design is so beautiful. So just very few places that I've used any ephemera on those. I tried to leave it naked on those pages, but I'm not real good about leaving pages naked. I like to chunk them up. So this one just has a little flower in it growing out. a page for journaling completely. And this one as well, and I've got just a small little tuck right here. And I loved all these flowers, the fussy cut flowers. So I put one in there. Okay, and here's a piece. This little piece right here is from Esme's shop. It's real pretty and shiny piece with the beads. And then I just made that piece where you tuck in, but it's still very much where you can journal on it. Right here as well. I hope you can't hear my kids fussing in the background. Again, these pages are so beautiful. They just go together so well. This little piece of the antique lace again from the collar. It's got some of the actual seed packets, both the small and the regular size. This is a paper bag cut down, and I have another one of the little booklets in there. Again, like I said, you could easily put pictures in there. That would be so great. And that, and it just goes back in there. There's plenty of room to hold extra stuff in there. The beautiful pages. Again, all these are sewn in. This is just a flip out. And some nice floral washi on there. This is envelope made like aged, and it has a little pocket right there. And it has the little teacup with the flowers. It's on the front of the cover as well. Turn this over. Part of the envelope. And it just has a small little card made in there that I made. Just to smell the flowers. Take time to stop. It's real easy to journal on it or to pass it along. This is just one of the seed packets. Have it glued down on there. The center of it. Again, this is one of the little flip outs here. So the other side of the one of the envelopes. Here's the little tuck here that's got some of the seed packets, both for lavender and lilac. Oh, I think I skipped a page. Beautiful these pages are. I love the layering of them, speckling of them, the text on them. Here's a tab, a tuck here, and you're there with a small word search right there. Again, it's bloom wild, bloom with grace, the earth laughs and flowers. And a little tag out to the side right here on this tab. And then that is actually the flower that's used as a pocket. And just two little empty tags there to write on. One here has got the belly band again, where to hold something right there. And it also has in the full tuck pocket there, right there. I love these flowers. A beautiful flower journal, garden journal. Seed packet tuck here, and a little tuck here with the lace, and a homemade little ephemera card, ATZ card. And again, almost all of the lace that's in here. There's only one or two pieces that came from my personal stash, but every piece of lace that's in here, all the way down to the ribbon here, the sari ribbon that is used on top of these Crafty Me shop. All digitals in here are Calico Collage. It makes beautiful tags. Put in that library card there. A little piece stuck here that you can easily put something on. That's just the first signature. I was working and actually was putting 3 signatures in it, and then it wouldn't fit. It was so fat. Again, it's lace on the end here. There. Library card tuck here and library card tuck here, made from some of the actual paper of the Spring Blush Calico Collage. You see how well they go together and how gorgeous they are. This is just a little scrap piece that making a stamp out of and postcard knit, and just tucked it there. There's tuck here and some floral washi. Here's a piece of graph paper in here. Got a tuck here and a tuck up here, sideways. And then it has a small tuck here. a piece there. And then just a little guest check made with the word spring, and these words, all of these pieces right here are in the ephemera pack. And it's also where you can tuck something in here as well. So, and then a little tuck down here, right tucked away. Matching, of course, this other side. The flower once again, and it has 3 little tags tucked in it. Some beautiful Crafty Me Shop laces down here with Calico Collage tags to be tucked down there. Another little one made. All of these little pieces, including this little piece right here, is one of the fussy cut pieces in the ephemera pack. And it just comes with it. A little card right there. And some of the cards right there. And this is an altered paper clip. On both sides you can see the actual clock. Let me see if I can get it off. I have to make sure that I get it off without tearing my page there. This is, like I said, just an altered paper clip where you can easily just take it because it's the way that it's glued in. Just take it and slide it right down. A belly band. Center of the signature. Another little lace pocket right here. Small lace pocket right here. Until I did not give time some of these to actual glue to dry before I stuck stuff in. Sorry about that. Great page. Here's another little card here with fuzzies on it, but this is an altered paper clip. This small little piece right here. Put it there. And tuck there. So, I'm going to tuck here. Tuck. So the guest check created. A little tuck from one of the ephemera pieces. Here's a large tuck here. And this piece here. And this is, it's got a fuzzy piece on the top of it. Part of the ephemera. And it goes right there. Tucked in. And then another guest check created right here for a whole tuck. And again, it's made where you can tuck something here and back here. So 2 cards made. DC cards right there. See pages, another tuck. Cards and flowers there in the library card. Or library card holder. And then there's 2 actual pockets at the very back here, and just holding some copyweight of the actual seed packets. Different seed packets, so you could see those. You can easily document on those, but there's that. And then the last page is also, the last part of it is open, where you can actually just take and slide a piece right in there. And the very back of it. It's the front. Tassel, like I said, it can be removed. And here's the front of it. And I appreciate the opportunity from both Crafty Me Shop and from Calico Collage. Thank you both, Esme and Lorella, and everything, for the opportunity to design for you. It was greatly appreciated, and it was such an honor and a blessing to do such. I hope you enjoy it. It is for sale. Just let me know if you're interested in it, and I appreciate it, ladies or gents. Thank you so much.